Changing your phone number on Google Pay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information easily. Step 1. Open Google Pay. Launch the Google Pay app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Access profile settings. Tap on your profile icon or the menu option in the top right corner. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select phone number. Look for the option labeled phone number or account information. Click on it to view your current phone number and the option to edit it. Step 4. Update your phone number. Enter your new phone number in the provided field. Make sure to double check the number for accuracy before proceeding. Step 5. Verify your new number. After entering the new phone number, Google Pay will send a verification code to that number. Enter the code in the app to confirm the change. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number will be updated in Google Pay. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the help section of the app for further assistance.